Let's talk a little bit about this fellow Ode Brew grinder. This is probably the last grinder that you will ever need. It comes with a brush to help you with any sort of cleanup. It has, it says from like 1 to 11 with multiple numbers in between on grind levels that you can choose from going to fine to a little bit more coarse. You end up putting your coffee beans in the top right here and just close it up, and then you will start your grinding. And when you're done grinding your coffee, you can use this little knock lever to make sure you're getting all of the grinds. When you are finished, you take the magnetic catch cup and pull it out, and it is kind of cool because it actually is like magnetic. Do you see that? Let's see that again. Take that out to empty your grinds into your favorite coffee maker. You can open it up and you can see here where all of the coffee will be. Use your brush to get the last little bit out. And then you will be ready to go to brew your favorite cup of coffee. The one downfall that we have seen with this is that at times it has actually gotten a little bit clogged up, and we've had to take it apart to clean it a little bit. But it's not difficult to do, but is still absolutely perfect.